Doug Kyde here from Gillette Stadium after day 3 of the 2016 NFL Draft has wrapped up. Patriots came into the day with 8 draft picks, made 2 trades, came out with 5 draft picks. They selected Georgia wide receiver Malcolm Mitchell. They grabbed linebacker Camus Grugier-Hill out of Eastern Illinois, Houston linebacker Elandon Roberts, Illinois guard Ted Karras, and Arizona State wide receiver Devin Lucien. I'd say that Mitchell was definitely the best pick of the day, probably of the whole draft for the Patriots. He's a wide receiver who definitely fits the Patriots system very well. Ran a 4.4 40, had a sub-7 second 3-cone drill. Those are 2 things that are very important to the Patriots when they're looking for wide receivers. Mitchell also said in his conference call with the media today that he came from a pro-style system and he's already comfortable with some of the elements that are involved in the Patriots offense, like option routes. He should be a guy who definitely catches on a little bit more quickly, a little bit easier than most wide receivers that the Patriots draft. They also grabbed 2 linebackers, the guard and another wide receiver. Those 2 linebackers probably will contribute on special teams. Ted Karras, the guard, might make the team. He's a guy who's will be on that bubble during training camp. He'll have to beat out a lot of guys to make the final roster, but it'll be interesting to see how him and Joe Thuney both do during rookie minicamp and into training camp.